What's up, everybody? I just got home. I don't know if you can see me in here, and I got a package in the mail, and I was like, I didn't order anything, so what is going on? Well, then I look, and it says, congratulations on 100,000 subscribers, Dutchman. There's really only one person I know who calls me Dutchman, but I'll wait and see. I'll let you guys know who it was who sent this. I don't know yet. I just don't know. I got a pretty good idea. If it's what I think it is, it's pretty freaking awesome. Let me get my little pocket knife over here and show you guys. Can you hear Jesse and the sheep going crazy out there? I'm actually going to be doing something that they're going to be very, very mad at me about, and I'll show you guys that here in a little bit. Let's open up this package. Yes, I carry a little Swiss Army knife. I got made fun of for carrying this at work today. It's pretty funny. I carry it all the time. This is crazy. This almost makes me want to cry a little bit. These people are so nice, so nice. Wait till you see this. Someone has spent a lot of money on me, and a GoPro 7. I'm gonna go out here. I'm gonna do my video on the sheep. I'm gonna feed them first, and we'll show you all that. Like I said, they're gonna be very mad at me, and then we're gonna get to the bottom of this awesome 100,000 subscriber gift I got from somebody. That's amazing. Okay, we'll get to the bottom of that. I actually had some other mail call I need to do today. I'm going to put that off for another day because this is a really awesome deal that I got in here. Gabby, where you at, Gabs? They want to see you. Where you at? It's an awesome deal that someone sent me. That is just amazing to me. Oh man, I'm serious. It made me want to tear up. I got a soft spot. All right, so what we're gonna do, and they're gonna be very mad at me. I'm sorry. You guys are gonna be upset about this. This hurts me. This is gonna hurt me more than it's gonna hurt you guys, I promise, because I don't want to hear you guys crying all day. But we're going to be separating the lambs from the ewes. I probably should have done this a few weeks ago, but I was kind of trying to let the mamas do their self-weaning. They're just not doing it. They're still, they are to a point. They're not taking them completely off. So I'm going to take them completely off, let them dry up. And I'm going to show you guys. It's muddy. We've been getting rain. Look at Jesse. We've been getting rain like crazy last 2 days, so it's a muddy mess. But I need to separate these lambs, and I'm going to show you all that, and they're going to be mad. You done, Gabs? What you doing, Gabby? So I'm gonna have a little work to do. I'm gonna have to move some stuff around. I gotta get some water, and I have to put some hay and feed in this one over here. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw them into this pen, lock it up, come in here and chase the lambs around and toss them in over here on this other pen. got him locked up, and Rambo went ahead and wandered on here. Rambo, you don't have to be in here, buddy. But he wants to be in here with his brothers and sisters, so that's okay. Rambo, you want to come out? Come on out. I can trust you, buddy. Come on. Come on. We can't trust your sisters. I won't be able to get them back in here. That's one awesome thing about having bottle babies. I could let Rambo out here and he can eat some fresh grass while I'm doing other stuff, and he's going to be just fine. I can get him back in the pen, no problem. If I let these three little rascals out, we're going to have issues. I ain't going to be able to get them back in. Okay, we got the baby lambs pinned up in their little pen. They got shelter, they got water, they got feed for now. And here in a little bit, I'm going to be bringing some hay out here for them. They'll be in here, like I said, 3, 4, 5 days, something like that. Let me check with Daniel, see how long he keeps his baby kids off their mamas. No, but that being said, these sheep are getting mean. Jesse is tired of Steve. Steve is tired of Jesse. But I think they're going to be sad whenever Jesse leaves. I really do. Just part of it. Let me put the lids back on these. Man, it was a little bit of workout wrestling them those lambs. I'm telling you, they're a lot stronger than they look. So I just got off the phone with my buddy Daniel Arms from Arms Family Homestead, and I got to the bottom of this package. I said, Daniel, tell me you did not send me a GoPro 7. He said, yeah, man, I did. Man, I'm telling you, good friends are hard to come by. And Daniel knew I was having a little bit, not a real bad day, but just dealing with some stuff. And I came home to that. Amazing. Made my day, made my month. For him to spend his hard-earned money to send me something like that. If you guys don't know, let's see here. If you did not know, these GoPro 7s are expensive. I can't thank him enough, and he knows I will use it all the time. And there's some stories behind that. There's a whole package deal. It's freaking awesome. Look at that. It's awesome, awesome, awesome. I'm not going to open it right now. I got to go to church, so I'm going to get off here in just a second. But he knows. He came fish. He came down and stayed with me, went fishing, and he had the new GoPro 7. I was like, that thing's freaking amazing. That thing, the quality of it, the audio, I was very impressed with it. In his videos and everything, I was like, man, I got to get me one of those. And what's he do? He surprises me with a 100,000 subscriber awesome gift. Daniel, thank you so much. It's amazing how me and Daniel didn't know each other until we started YouTube. And we're both from Oklahoma. Obviously, I think a lot of y'all know that. We're both from Oklahoma. He lives about 3 hours from me. And we have become really, really good friends over the last several years. And he's one of a kind. It means a lot. He means a lot. I'm able to bounce things off of him. He's able to bounce things off me. We're very like-minded in life in general, just not YouTube. Just very like-minded families. We got the same goals. He's helped me a bunch on other things. He's opened my eyes to things. He's just been an awesome, awesome friend. And Daniel, thank you so much. You know how much I appreciate that. And I told him I was going to put this on there. He did not ask me. He does not want. I don't even know if he wanted anyone to know. But I opened it on camera, and I was like, Daniel, I'm going to put this on camera because honestly, it about made me cry. About made old Dutch cry. Old cry baby Dutch. Oh, man, it was awesome. It's just awesome that there's awesome people like Daniel out there. And to be called his friend is an honor. It really is. He serves our state. He's an Oklahoma Highway Patrolman, and he puts his life literally on the line every single time he puts that uniform on. And he knows how grateful I am for that. I got several friends that are actually Highway Patrolmen, and they know how grateful I am for them too. But Daniel, I talk to him all the time. But I'm going to quit saying so many nice things about Daniel. No, he's a great guy. And obviously, if you don't know who he is by now, go check him out, Arms Family Homestead. You guys should know he just left the house this weekend. We put several videos out together, fishing and cooking and stuff. It was a really great time. And don't forget, if you if you don't know about the meetup, he's having a meetup on May 5th in Kingston, Oklahoma at noon. You could Google search it and pop right up, tell you where it's at. There's going to be a lot of people there. There's going to be a lot of people. It's going to be a really big deal. There's going to be some speakers there, stuff like that. Me and Daniel are going to be there, and it's going to be a good time. So if you guys can make it down there, Kingston, Oklahoma, and Daniel has a Facebook. He could probably leave a comment down below, but it's Arms Family Homestead on Facebook, and he has like a event on there. You can say you're thinking about going. If you get a chance, go to that website, and if you have Facebook, tell him, if you're wanting to go, tell him you're going, just so he can get an idea of how many porta johns he needs to get, because there's going to be a lot of people there. But guys, thanks so much for watching the video. Daniel, thank you so much once again, buddy. I appreciate it. Man, it's awesome. You guys like this video of separating the sheep? They're going to be mad at me, like I said. They're going to get over it. Smash that like button for me, food. And if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe. Be part of this journey. Be part of the homestead. Be part of my family. And I greatly appreciate it, guys. Catch you on the next video.